What's going on, guys? Happy Friday. We are in the driveway working on the Tahoe. Wonder what we are doing to this truck now. What? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Just being quiet?
Yeah, I'm being very quiet.
Shut that door. That's what I thought. Anyway, we are working on a project on the Tahoe today. We got something in the mail 30 minutes ago. It wasn't this morning. It's like 2:30 in the afternoon, but unreleased product, not on the market yet. We're going to see if it fits the Tahoe. The manufacturer sent me a part to try out on the Tahoe that we know will fit the Silverados, but we're not sure about the Tahoe yet. But we think it's close enough that we're willing to try it. So they sent me out a kit. And I got it in the mail today, and now we're about to get started putting it on the truck. Yeah, let's get to it. We got to pull the old fat girl in the garage for this one though, because it is freaking cold outside. So there you go, guys. The part we're testing is the Cold Air Inductions Elite Series intake system. Now this intake system is currently for a different model of Chevy truck, and we think it'll fit the new Tahoe. So my good buddies at Cold Air Inductions sent me this system to do some testing on and see if it fits the new Tahoe. If it does, they're going to release a kit for it, so you guys will be able to put an intake on your Tahoe as well. So we got to get started now. First thing we're going to do is remove this old gaudy intake system and then start putting the shinies on. Intake system, get out of here. Got it all out. Check this out. Completely removed. All the way over to the lower portion of the air box. 2021 Tahoe. Time to put the fun stuff in now. Ooh, buddy, we're getting closer. Check this out. We got the intake tube in. Got the air filter in the box. Box is bolted in place, lined right up with our factory bolt holes for our lower box. Now we just got to get the tube in, the elbow, PCV connected, and that should, once the tube is in, it should hold the filter up in place like that right there. Right now it's just kind of sagging because we don't have any support for it. Getting there, getting there. Man, there it is. Look at that. She fits like a freaking glove. It's like it was always meant to be. The fitment's perfect. Ooh, them kids are screaming. What are they out there hollering for? Anyway. Fits like a glove. Perfect fitment. I mean, quality system, again, from Cold Air Inductions. I keep telling you guys that this company is freaking incredible, They've been an awesome partner to me, helping me out, supporting the channel, and I try to do the same for them, but I wouldn't do it if they didn't have a great product. And I'm telling you, for the third time in a row, they have a great product. All of my vehicles on my YouTube channel have had a cold air inductions intake system, and I've had 0 problems with any of them. What a killer system. And as usual, we got a new sticker for the sticker wall. I'm gonna put this one right front and center. coldairinductions.com. So there you have it, guys. That was probably about a 15 to 20 minute install. It fits like a glove. Super good fitment. Really high quality parts. Cold Air Inductions knocked it out of the park again with this system for the 2021 Tahoe with the 5.3 liter V8. So if you guys want to check them out, I'll put a link in the description below. Be sure and mention that you came from Leaman Griffin YouTube channel. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for subscribing. Hello. If you haven't subscribed already, be sure and hit that subscribe button so you keep up with the latest videos that I put out. And we'll see you guys in the next one.